Hello my lovelies, so welcome back to my makeup and cosplay channel, and today I'm going to show you about my makeup and dress up look for Navratri's day 6 Katyayani Mata. So let's begin. Mata Katyayani is the sixth form of goddess Durga, a warrior goddess who destroyed the demon Mahishasur. She is known for her fair strength and is worshipped on the sixth day of Navratri. Worshipped as the destroyer of evil, she is depicted as having four arms, a sword, a lotus, and the Abhya and Varada mudras, and riding a lion. Devotees pray to her for strength, courage, and to overcome obstacles, especially related to marriage. She is one of the most powerful forms of Ma Durga. Goddess Parvati had assumed the form of Goddess Katyayani to destroy the demon Mahishasur. She is renowned for protecting devotees from evil energies. Mata Katyayani is one of the forms of the Hindu goddess Durga, worshipped particularly during the Navratri festival. She is often depicted with a fierce appearance, symbolizing strength and empowerment. Katyayani is revered as a warrior goddess, embodying the energy of courage and protection. Goddess Katyayani's favorite food is honey, which is offered to her on the sixth day of Navratri. Devotees also offer her other foods made with honey, such as Panchamrit, a mixture of five ingredients including honey, honey kheer or laddus made with honey. Other offerings include red fruits, sweets like halwa and bananas. Best things to offer Ma Katyayani is red flowers, incense, kumkum and sandalwood. Ma Katyayani is depicted with four hands riding a lion and holding a sword and lotus flower, with her other two hands in Abhya and Varada mudras representing protection and granting boons. On the fourth day of Navratri in South India, we worship goddess Katyayani, the fierce warrior form of Durga, known as the destroyer of evil and the harbinger of strength and courage. Navratri is an Indian festival almost celebrated in every parts of India, not only in South India. In Vedic astrology, Ma Katyayani is associated with the planet Mars, Mangal. The planet Mars represents traits like courage, energy, and passion. Her blessings enhance one's willpower, energy, and drive to overcome life challenges. The devotees can get positive results from Mars by worshipping Ma Katyayani, thereby gaining victory in various aspects of life. There can be many questions related to Ma Katyayani and her connection to Vedic astrology. One may also wonder how worshipping the goddess will bring prosperity and wealth to life. All these can be answered in astrology in very simple way. Ma Katyayani is known for her immense strength and courage. She symbolizes the power to overcome evil and protect justice. Her worship brings victory over challenges. She provides the courage to confront and overcome obstacles in life. Worshipping Ma Katyayani brings many blessings. She blesses her devotees with the strength to overcome all challenges in life. Additionally, praying to Ma Katyayani brings physical, mental, and spiritual growth. One should follow the following steps to perform Ma Katyayani Puja. Step 1. Clean the puja room and set up an idol or image of Ma Katyayani on a platform. 2. Light a diya and offer the goddess flowers, incense, sticks, fruits, and sweets. Third, recite mantras and hymns dedicated to her. Fourth, one should pray with faith and devotion to seek protection, courage, and prosperity. The goddess gives her devotees strength to overcome all kinds of fears and obstacles. At the end, recite the Aarti of Ma Katyayani and its happy journey. Ma Katyayani helps achieve personal and professional success by giving good analytical skills and the strength to make the right decisions. Her blessings provide the courage and energy needed to tackle challenges, leading to greater achievements in various aspects of life. Devotees seek her blessings to achieve both their personal and professional goals. Ma Katyayani blesses her devotees and enhances their courage and energy levels by strengthening Mars' positive results. The planet signifies courage, confidence, and higher energy levels. With Mars in the birth chart, the individual feels positive and energetic. She moves towards her goals without fear. Worshipping the goddess certainly increases one's positive martial traits. Yes, specific mantras for Ma Katyayani are effective for astrological remedies. Chanting these mantras strengthens the positive aspects of Mars. Om Katyayani Namaha, Om Devi Katyayani Namaha. Reciting these mantras with devotion brings Ma Katyayani's blessings, enhancing strength, courage, and success. An astrological consultation can help you understand the strength of Mars in your natal chart and the associated platforms. If you are facing lethargy, aggression, frustration, and lack of confidence, meeting an astrologer is advised. The astrologer can help you understand how worshipping Ma Katyayani can benefit you. He can also offer personalized remedies to help overcome life challenges and thus achieve tremendous success and strength. Seven sisters of Ma Durga are Brahmani, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, Varahi, Indrani, and Chamunda. These goddesses are considered destroyers of evil forces and are associated with different deities, fighting alongside Ma Chamunda in battles. Ma Brahmani, the consort of Brahma, Ma Maheshwari, the consort of Shiva, Ma Kaumari, the consort of Kartikeya, Murugan, the son of Shiva and Parvati, Ma Vaishnavi, the consort of Vishnu, Ma Varahi, the consort of Varaha and avatar of Vishnu, Ma Indrani, the consort of Indra, Ma Chamunda, a fierce form of Durga, often associated with the destruction of the demons, Chanda and Munda. In some regional traditions, a different group of seven sisters is worshipped. For example, in South India, the Sapta Kanyakas are a group of seven virgin goddesses, and in Goa, a similar group of seven sisters is revered with a brother named Potu Raju. Goddess Durga's daughters are Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, and Saraswati, goddess of knowledge. In some traditions, particularly in Bengali culture, they are often depicted with Durga during festivals like Durga Puja. However, in other interpretations, Lakshmi and Saraswati are considered equal to Durga as part of the Trivedi goddess trinity rather than her daughters. Ma Katyayani's color is orange. This color is full of positive energy and keeps the person upbeat. Grey color is also the color for goddess Katyayani. Devotees must offer Shringar items and vermilion to goddess Katyayani to please her and seek blessings. Her story is it is said that Rishi Katyan was performing tapasya on the bank of river Kaushiki, now Kaushi, when Ma Durga, the deity of Shakti, took avatar in child form and was accepted by Rishi as his daughter. Hence, she is called Katyayani. Another story says that around 300 years ago, this place used to be dense forest. Another story for Ma Katyayani is one day a devotee Sripat Maharaj saw Ma Katyayani in dream and as per her instructions constructed as earthen temple at that place and started worshipping her. In the year 1951, the temple was reconstructed. Lack of proper communication and the inaccessibility of the place by road has hampered the development of this area. Have you ever wondered what are the benefits of Ma Katyayani? It's okay, I will tell you. The worship of Devi Ma Katyayani brings about numerous benefits such as resolving obstacles that delay marriage, promoting harmony and peace in married life, alleviating the effects of Mangalic dosha in one's birth chart. Ma Katyayani is also strongly associated with the color red, which symbolizes her fierce and powerful nature as a warrior goddess who vanquished evil forces. Other sources also associate her with grey, representing balance and transformation, or orange, signifying positive energy and warmth. Now I will tell you why these colors. Red. This is the most frequently mentioned color associated with her, representing the qualities of strength, courage, passion, and divine power. Grey. In the context of the Navratri day, wise color scheme followed by many, grey is often assigned to the sixth day. This color symbolizes balanced emotions, grounded strength, and intellectual balance. Orange. Some traditions, particularly for Chaitra Navratri, associate orange with Ma Katyayani. This color signifies exuberance, warmth, and positive energy. Ultimately, these colors are symbolic of the specific qualities Ma Katyayani embodies, such as strength, protection, and emotional balance, and wearing them is believed to attract her blessings. Regional and calendar variations may influence which specific color is emphasized in a particular celebration. Devotees offer the goddess bright red lotus flowers on this auspicious day. The choice of the color red was not made randomly. It stands for the powerful qualities of strength, courage, and power, all of which are tightly connected with the Katyayani's divine nature. Goddess Katyayani is one of the 9 forms of Goddess Parvati. She is worshipped by devotees as the sixth form on the day of Navratri. As per Hindu mythology, Devi Parvati took Katyayani's form for destroying the demon Mahishasur. According to religious Hindu texts, Goddess Parvati was referred to as Katyayani because she was born to sage Katya. Goddess Katyayani is the most furious form of Goddess Parvati and is often associated with the color red. And there is a great significance of Katyayani Vrata for people finding obstacles related to marital issues. Let's understand what is the difference between Ma Durga and Ma Katyayani. The sixth form of the Mother Divine is Katyayani, worshipped on the sixth day, Shashti. She is also known as a warrior goddess and is believed to be one of the most violent forms of Ma Durga. I hope I am successful to tell you all about amazing points of Ma Katyayani, a beautiful goddess, a powerful form of Ma Durga with great power and energy. I am really enjoying this beautiful makeup and jewelries. I am really loving it. And so I have completed the beautiful makeup look of Ma Katyayani. In the end, let's meet in the next video.